In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create invoices for sub-customers in QuickBooks Online. If you work with parent companies and individual sub-customers under them, it's important to make sure you're billing the correct record. Creating the invoice the right way helps keep your accounts organized, makes reporting more accurate, and ensures the charge is assigned to the right customer profile. In this walkthrough, I'll show you exactly how to create that invoice clearly and correctly. To get started, log into QuickBooks Online and go to your main dashboard. From there, look for the Plus New button, which may also appear as Plus Create, depending on your version or layout. This button is where you begin most transaction entries in QuickBooks. Click it to open the menu of available actions. Next, select Invoice from the menu. This will open a new invoice form where you can enter all the billing details for the sub-customer. Take a moment to make sure you're on the correct form before continuing, especially if you also use sales receipts or estimates in your workflow. In the customer field, click the drop-down and search for the sub-customer's name. This is a very important step. You'll want to choose the sub-customer itself rather than the parent company, unless your setup specifically requires combining open charges under the parent. Selecting the correct name ensures the invoice is attached to the right account and helps avoid confusion later when reviewing balances or payment history. Once the sub-customer has been selected, review the invoice date, due date, and payment tier terms. These fields affect when the invoice is issued and when payment is expected, so it's worth double-checking them before you add any charges. If terms are already saved on the customer profile, QuickBooks may fill them in automatically, but you should still confirm everything looks right. Now move down to the line items section and enter the products or services you're billing for. Add the appropriate description, quantity, and rate for each item. Be as accurate and clear as possible here, since these details are what the customer will see on the invoice. A clean, well-written line item section also reduces back and forth if the customer has questions about what they're being charged for. When everything has been entered and reviewed, finish by clicking Save and Close if you're done, or Save and Send if you want to email the invoice right away. And that's it. That's how to create an invoice for a sub-customer in QuickBooks Online quickly and correctly.